You happy with your shutters, mate?
Over the moon with my shutters, brother.
So good.
Over the moon with them, mate. They look amazing. Don't they?
Yeah, nice.
So cool. That's so cool, mate.
Goodbye.
I've never had shutters before. Blinds, obviously. I think we've all had blinds, didn't we?
Smart.
Shutters, I've never had them. Never had the house to have them.
Just so nice and clean as well. Like,
look lovely, man. Look, when it's all
ties
open.
it all in.
Love it from the outside as well. And I love the minimalistic look where there's no bars to open them. I just like that. We didn't go for any, it's nice and easy. But yeah, man.
And you can have your half privacy mode as well.
That's it.
Like, that's cool.
That's it. Half privacy, so we can have just the tops open all the way through.
Nice. They're
All right,
smashing
darling.
for it.
Yeah, man, over the moon with them. They're great. Clean as well. The boys are good at what they do.
That lets alone.
And the boys are good, they're great at what they do as well. I'm just putting it back because I was meant to get my carpet done today, tomorrow.
Been let down.
Nah, they got let down.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Their supplier. He's done all of it there. So anyway, end of the month, so about 10 days time, end of the month, we get the carpet down, we can put our bed up, we can get the light. I bought a light here, yeah, the other day. Danny put it up for me. It made the room look like a princess room. And this is the main bedroom, this is our bedroom. It was pink, brother. It was too pink, wasn't it, Ted? Yeah. Did you see it? It was pink and had a bit of blue in it. On the picture, it didn't look like that. Out of all of the lights that I've got, it didn't look, because it was like that. You see, like I've got them...
Yeah, they're nice. Wall lights.
Yeah, the wall lights and the mods on it. Turn the light on. Turn it on.
That's a dragonfly, isn't it?
Dragonfly, sorry. And then you've got the flowers and whatever else.
Yeah.
That's so pretty and nice. And then this light didn't do a matching ceiling light, which I wanted, so I've got saying I thought it was similar, it was terrible. It wasn't a good look, so that's had to go back, and now I'm on the hunt to try and find the right one for that. But I've got a couple of weeks, you see, until the carpet goes down so we can finish the room. That's a nice ottoman. You know them ottomans will go near the bed? Yeah. So we've got a nice bed going there, walnut looking bed, ottoman, cream carpet, and I'm on the hunt for a big armchair.
Big man too.
Big armchair here. Mark?
Yeah.
And then here, then my coffee facilities. Yeah? Come on.
Nice.
Looking good. Whose phone's that, Ted? Is that Manty's phone?
Right.
Are you excited?
He's brought up the gunners.
Oh, here he is.
Yes, geezer.
Big Mark.
Big Mark!
Yeah.
You alright? You good? You good?
Yeah, man.
Right, mate.
Shut us up today. Geezer, understand why you want?
Oh,
Coming on, man.
yeah, I'm alright. Right.
Coming on.
Anyway, and that shutter's gone in there.
These
that.
looking nice. We've got the plates in there now, look.
Dan's in here working hard.
What's that?
I said, you're in here working hard.
I don't stop, mate. I don't stop.